we're going to be importing our FBX mesh head. We're going to find whichever one you want. Okay. Then we're going to go to materials and we're going to find the head. Click on it and select base color and find image texture. Then you're going to open it and try to find the image texture that you exported from Fmodel. So yeah, I'm going to work on the tan for now. The rest of the skin tones, I'll work on them for later. If you notice your character a little metallic, don't worry, you can go down in metallic lever area and just put it all the way down. Boop. Perfect. Awesome. Now we're going to go to shading. Okay, so we're going to work on the knots. We're going to add, make sure you have nothing clicked. Just click on the side, right click, add texture, image texture. Then we're going to add new, open it. We're going to work on the lips, so I'm going to name it lips. Then make sure the color where it says alpha, it's all the way down. You don't need to change anything on the settings, they're all good. And then press new image. Now we're going to add another node, which is called mix color. We're going to take it and put it between texture and principal. It will connect automatically. Now, if you notice your character is a little pale, that is okay. Where it says mix color, select factor and put the lever all the way down. Boom. Okay. Now we connect the lips to the mix color. Connect color to color B, then alpha to, oops, I made a mistake, my bad. Okay, we're gonna fix that. We're gonna get the first texture and connect it to A, then the lips connected to B. Now, we're gonna click on lips, alpha, and then drag it to the mix factor. Okay, now that we're working on the lips, make sure you click on it and not accidentally on image texture, which is the first one, and painting over it. If I click on the lips, there's nothing in it yet. So we're gonna click on it and we're gonna go to texture image. We're already there. And on top, you're gonna see color. You can pick any color. You can pick any paintbrush too. In the top, you can press X for symmetry, so you don't have to deal with it as much. So here we go. I'm gonna speed this up. Okay, so now that I'm satisfied with the lips, I'm gonna go back to the knots and I'm gonna click on the lips. As you can see, it's no longer empty. You can see what you drew. Now to add more makeup, we're gonna do this on repeat. I'm gonna add another mix color, put it right in the middle, and then an image texture, and we're gonna name this eyeshadow. Now you just repeat what you did in the first time, and so and so. Now that I'm satisfied with the look, I'm going to quickly save. I have the tattoo freckles, the eyeshadow, the lips, and the skin texture that I imported. Okay, so now we're going to add another image texture. And then you can name this one whatever you want, but make sure the color alpha is all the way up this time. As you can tell, it's just a black box. That's how we want it. So basically, we're going to mesh everything we did into one texture. We're going to go to render and make sure it's on cycle instead of Eevee. Then we're going to go all the way down where it says bake. Where it says bake type, make sure it's on diffuse. Sometimes I use glossy. but it depends. But right now we're going to use diffuse. Now we're going to go to direct and indirect. Make sure they're clicked off because we only want the color. And then once you're all ready, we're going to go to object and make sure to click on your mesh and make sure to click on the image texture with the black box. Once they're both clicked together, click on bake. And boom, there's your makeup all combined into one texture. Now make sure to save your image so you won't lose it for later. Now if you want the same makeup for every skin tone, you just have to change the image texture with the black box and the image texture that you just imported. Since we imported the tan, we're now gonna import the light skin tone. And again, name it whatever you want. I'm gonna name it Star Makeup Light. And again, make sure the color alpha is all the way up. And it's a black box again. Now we're gonna click on the image texture tan and click X for delete and import the new image texture you want to import. We're gonna import the light skin tone, and then there you go. You just do it all over. Click on the object mesh, then click on the black box, and then bake. And then you do it all over again with all the skin tones you want. Now let's head over to the kit and import all the texture and make our mod. Click on the top where it says create mode and then import our texture we just made. Open character creator and click save selected. And then make sure you're in avatar preset and pick the gender that you wish to put on the makeup or tattoo too. Now I'm going to click on the markings and just put 1. I don't want no markings on her face. Now I'm going to go to skin tone and we're going to make a new preset. Now I'm going to name this light star makeup, and I'm going to do this for every makeup or every skin tone that I made. Now that we have that, we're going to go to data skin color, and then where it says light star makeup, we're going to go all the way down where it says skin diffuse, and we're going to replace this one with the new skin texture we just imported. And make sure to click save. And there you go. There's your star makeup. Now you can change the skin tone settings if you want her to be shiny or old, anything what you prefer. Once you upload all your skin tone makeup ready, make sure your mom mutator is correct. You added your icon if you wanted to add your icon, and once everything is correct, just hit upload. Thank you guys for watching. I hope this video was a little helpful, and if it wasn't, I'm sorry. If you have any questions, leave a comment below and I'll try my best to help you out. Bye bye.